Hello, boys and girls. This is Teacher Nay. Today, I'm going to read Things I Do Every Day by Teacher Nay, illustrated with Creative Commons and free use images. Let's begin. I wake up in the morning. I eat breakfast. I like cereal. I brush my teeth. I get dressed. I go to school. I eat lunch. I go home in the afternoon. I do my homework. I eat dinner in the evening. I go to bed. I sleep at night. The end. Thank you for listening to my story. I hope to see you soon. Goodbye.